Seniors, if you've ever noticed swelling, weakness, or that strange tingling in your legs, pay close attention, because this is not just getting older. It's your body warning you that it's running out of the one thing it needs to hold itself together: collagen. And here's what makes this dangerous. By the time these symptoms show up, collagen loss has already been happening silently for years. That's why so many seniors suddenly struggle with walking and joint pain, even if they felt fine just a few years ago. Fortunately, this process is not permanent, and there are simple foods that can help your body rebuild collagen naturally. Before we start, drop your age and where you're watching from. Now let's begin. Number 1. Bone broth. If your joints feel stiff in the morning or your legs don't move like they used to, this is where you start. Bone broth is one of the most powerful, natural sources of collagen your body can actually use. It's rich in gelatin and key amino acids that help rebuild worn-down joints, support smoother movement, and calm inflammation from within. Many seniors notice their legs feel more stable within just a few weeks of drinking one simple cup a day. Number 2. Sardines. These small fish might not look like much, but for aging legs, they're incredibly powerful. Sardines are eaten whole, including the soft bones and skin, which makes them loaded with collagen and nutrients that strengthen your blood vessels. And that matters, because poor circulation is one of the biggest reasons behind swelling and that tingling feeling in your legs. Adding sardines a few times a week can help improve blood flow, making your legs feel more alive. Number 3. Egg yolks. This is the one sitting in your kitchen right now, and most people are using it wrong. For years, seniors were told to avoid the yolk, but that's actually where the real benefit is. Egg yolks are packed with the exact building blocks your body needs to produce collagen. When you eat them lightly cooked, like soft-boiled or poached, they help support stronger joints, better muscle function, and steadier legs. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more simple tips.